App won't start because of the MFC-UIA32 DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist, and I have a safe, verified method to fix that broken execution path. To start the walkthrough for MFC-UIA32, you can follow my technical guide or use a utility designed to optimize your system configuration. This is the MFC-UIA32, the MFC User Interface Accessibility 32-bit shim. It manages the localized Microsoft Active Accessibility MSAA hooks for legacy 32-bit applications. It facilitates the localized communication between screen readers and unmanaged MFC-based visual controls. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. mfcuia32 acts as a vital connection for localized MFC UI orchestration operations, and downloading a fresh installer for the program, showing the error, is the only way to repair the damaged binaries found in the app folder. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the MFC-UIA32 file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Next, we'll move beyond the basics. If your screen hasn't changed after the restart, follow me to step 3. If you need to pause the video while your folders load, don't hesitate. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. The versions of MFC-UIA32.dll found on generic download sites are often compiled for legacy hardware, which can lead to excessive CPU cycles or kernel-level crashes on modern systems. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. To help prevent productivity interruptions, the diagnostic tool below provides informational guidance on keeping MFC-UIA32 synchronized. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored MFC-UIA32 functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.